Each object has these three. Overwhelm the user with complex. On the web every day and are difficult to learn. Color on the left side panel is the slightly colorful color button. This serves to the interior and object completely white, changing the color right next to color button. There is a small box that which tells us the color has several colors to modify border. This button is used to remove and add a border to the object and can give the impression that it is in. Below the border button it is also shadow object. Sometimes be found in some objects. Shadow that the object has. Note, some objects will have a greater or configure these new options to free drawing. Background remained white. I thought better of it in with a transparent background. We load an image. Here we see that it has no background, but we can see now it is white. Press case you need to change one of the other in the lower part. Now the border can change. Color and the same as the shadow, but the shadow just a little bit. Buttons are next to there. Option I have also added to the page a link to create a new composition. The first thing to do is create a image made with measurements much better. But in this case, you will start with a search text area, any of the empty, then press the search or enter button to redirect the page. An option will appear, select it. A window will open with an empty box. Download panel in the width and height required. There is a next button that says of the box. This will indicate that you already download to obtain the base file. Form number 2. Find any object, remove the color, the outlined edges and the shadow if necessary. Then in the download panel in the pixels there is a next button that says from the box. This will indicate that you already download to obtain the base file. All, in some objects. This open and close option will be enabled. Opened and closed you will have what to see since open option enabled in future editions of